Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Sarah here to do our calendar and our morning meeting. My friends, we did not come to school for 2 days. We didn't come to school on Saturday. We did not come to school on Sunday. So we have to fill in those days. But first, I want to talk about our month. Our month is May. Can you say that with me? May. May. Very good. In May, when the sun starts to come out, even though it rained a little bit yesterday, we start to see our flowers growing. I love the month of May. So let's look. So we didn't come to school on Saturday and Sunday. So let's fill in those boxes. We have the number 8 on Friday. So the number that comes after 8 is 9. And the number that comes after 9 is 10. Good. Now let's look at our pattern. We had green on Friday. So what color comes next in our pattern after green? Pink. Very good. So Miss Sarah's going to color Saturday in pink. And then what comes after pink in our pattern? Our yellow-orange color. So that's going to be Sunday. Dun, 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 dun. Beautiful. So if yesterday, Miss Sarah always forgets. You have to remind me. We need 2 hands to sing our good morning song. Are you ready? 2 fingers. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, my friends. Thank you for joining me. Now let's quickly look back at what Miss Sarah was talking about. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Very good. I heard a lot of you saying it out there. And if today is Monday, yesterday we had the number 10. What number comes next? We can use a strategy of counting, or we could just start counting at 10. 10. 11. Very good. The number 11 is 2 ones put together. 1 and a 1 make 11. Very good. Now let's look at our color for our pattern. We had yellow yesterday, so today we have to have green. Very good. Is this green? It is? Okay. This is our 11. Very good. Let's say our date, my friends. Say it with me. Today is Monday, May 11, 2020. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, my friends. Now let's sing our Days of the Week song. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in a week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in a week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in a week. Very good, you guys. Thank you for joining me on that song. Now, Miss Sarah is quickly going to talk about what our activities are for the day. So today, for Monday, for our literacy reading block, we are going to watch the story May There Always Be Sunshine Read Aloud with Miss Sarah. I really love this story because it talks about moms, it talks about sunshine. I love this story. Today we are also going to have your child write their first and their last name. If they are struggling with their first name, do not have them write their last name. But if your child can write their first name, please have them write your first and last name. For math today, practice counting 10 objects. So you're going to ask the student to state how many they counted in all. So an example. Miss Sarah has her crayons. 1, 2, 3. How many crayons do you have? 3. They should not have to go back and recount. If your child needs to, that's okay. But the goal here is that they are able to remember what was the last stated number. For science and social studies today, I Have a Dream for MLK. This is a song we learned with Miss Sarah during Global Music. For recess today, to start off our week, we have a quiet activity for 10 minutes. So having them put their head down, having them color, turning the lights off, playing soft music, anything to just kind of create a relaxing atmosphere. And for social emotional today, I want you and your child to create a rule for your house together. So help them understand that they need to follow the rule for the whole week. So some examples we have are cleaning up right after they are done playing with their toys. So if they're done playing with their cars, maybe they're done with the tablet for the day for school or another game. They have to put it away correctly, and they have to do that every day of the week. Some other examples are maybe they have to set the table at dinner, washing hands before a mealtime. Maybe those are some guidelines that you can set with your child. There are some accommodations and modifications listed on the lesson plan as well. Miss Lily and I are available from 9 to 11 every day for active office hours as well as virtual teaching. If you have any questions, please email us or message us on the Remind app any time of the day. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Monday.